crazy Scandinavian weather. Starts with massive, huge amounts of rain, and then boom, the sun is here. Then again, we're gonna end up in a rainy place. We arrived at the new campsite in oh man, I cannot pronounce this Eskin something. So yeah, this is us. We are very close to the service area, which is good. I'm not sure that this area is very nice to stay in. I mean, this part of Sweden, but still, I mean, we're gonna crash 3 nights here because just to escape the big holiday that the Swedes have. Because now on the highway, people going away from Stockholm, because that's the highway it's from Stockholm, was crazy with queues and lines, and it was crazy. So we just wanna hide out here, spend 3 nights, and just wait everybody to go home, and then we can continue up north. I had to put the tent, the awning actually, because the meteorologist in the family said that from 3 p.m. it's gonna be massive storm, so massive rain, so I have to do it before I start grilling. Yeah, orders are orders. We set up the camp. It was very easy this time. I parked it very nicely, so I just need to tweak a little bit the front sporting wheel. And I must say that this camp, I won't pronounce it, it's written down there, has one of the most amazing owners again. I mean, what is happening so far? Politeness of owners in Sweden is 2 out of 3, and now it's gonna be the first proper grilling in our own grill in Sweden. Let's begin, because we have a big and nice juicy chunk of meat. You know what is too bad? That GoPro cannot provide smell, the current smell of this meat that is being prepared. I love camping life. This pepper in my language is called aivarka, because you make the best pepper paste in the world with it, and they are so nice when grilled. So basically you cannot make a grill without them. So I'm highly recommending, if you haven't tried them on a grill, try it. You're gonna be blown away. Voila!
Yummy.
Hi Marky. We have a nice lunch today because it's super rainy. So we're gonna treat ourselves inside the caravan. We have German beer, of course, because here is very expensive, the beer. So you buy always in Germany.
When your wife tells you to do so.
Yep, she took me to that, how was it called, the duty free. So we have aivarka, sarma, and carré. It's a pork meat. So enjoy your lunch, and we're gonna enjoy ours. It hasn't stopped raining for all day. It's raining. So when it's raining, what we do is we have Lego. This is only half. We have coffee. Chocolate that we need to hide. I never thought that I will hide myself by eating chocolate, like, because if he sees us that we eat chocolate, then he also wants. We are saying that what we were saying, that we prefer this kind of weather because currently in Skopje is 34 degrees Celsius. It's super hot, and we prefer this kind of weather. What is the degrees now? 12. It's 12.
Yeah.
And in July, where we are going to North Cap, it's gonna be maximum at 10. So we prefer that weather in Kausika in summer than the other one. Yeah, those are the sounds that we hear all day when he's in the game. So yeah, now it's even increasing the rain, and I think that I need to go and clean the toilet.
Yeah, but there's like a 10-minute window when it stops every 2 hours. And then we run out to sort out some stuff or run with him to the playground, and then it starts again, so we need to come back and hide once again.
Yeah, rain is not very friendly to small caravans. But it is what it is. It's still better than being in the office. So, yeah. Let's clean up that toilet that little guy is filling up so quick. We arrived at the biggest, largest caravan camper sales facility ever. Like, this is huge, and we tried to find battery here. Yeah, let's go in and explore this huge place. If there is paradise, I think we are in one.
Oh my god, this is like a 5-star hotel. Come on. Wow. I mean, this is crazy. Look at this. Come here, come here.
With a bedroom. Oh.
Wow.
Look. Look.
Nee, Mark, on was discussion. Jesus Christ.
Oh, separate shower.
What the hell is this thing? Jesus. Wow. 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 You hit it from there. Unbelievable. Proper kitchen. So as you guys know, we have lots of humidity. I'm buying this tall ball. It's calling in Swedish, and hopefully they will help with the humidity what we have. And we found a battery. It's 75 amperes and it costs 110 euro. Too bad they don't have a tax free. The guy said that for the battery it will last 2 days for charging phones and running the water pump. So that's what we need for when we are off-grid, and it's not much, like 110 euro, which will compensate with not staying in campsites. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. The bigger one is Varta of 95 amperes. It's 310 euros, so that's like big of a difference. We don't need that much. I think that this will really satisfy our needs. And what I noticed that the power poles that we bought are much more expensive here in Sweden than in Hungary. So pretty happy that we purchased them there. We saved like 10 euros. And yeah, let's see what else they have. So we just arrived at our campsite, and I want to first check some YouTube videos of how to install and how to work with this battery, because I have no idea. And then I will film it actually. So this is where the battery should stay, and these are the positive and negative or neutral, and this is our charger. Yep, I hope you can see it. So as far as I saw, and from what I saw on YouTube, it shouldn't be much complicated. I just need to put the battery there, this laser battery, and then plug the red and blue, and actually that's it. Well, I hope it's gonna work. Let's see. So my container is quite big. I mean, it can fit a bigger battery, so I will put some cloth here that will hold the battery still, not to go left and right. Yep, this is fine. These clamps are good. Don't need that key to make them. I think it's good. If I press, ta-da! We have electricity! Woohoo! This thing works. So cool. So yeah, we have battery, we have electricity. I mean, of course, we're gonna save as much as possible on it. And yeah, so as far as I know, I understood, it's being charged when plugged on electricity. Well, that's fine. Works for me. Perfect. Very happy with this purchase. 110 euros for 75 amperes of battery. It's gonna be perfect for us for 2 days off-grid camping. Yes. So I just plugged ourselves back on the main grid. I want to see what is happening with the charger, if it has some changes in color. So it has yellow light, not blinking. That means probably it's charging. Let's see. So I have here the manual. The second one is British. Yellow LED, second phase of charge. Red LED, first phase of charge. Third phase of charge only. Green LED, battery charge. Maintenance phase. I don't know what that means. I think that we are fine. I mean, I will wait a little bit and see when the and if the green light flashes. If not, I will try to figure out what's wrong. But so far it's only the yellow light, and that's supposed to be second phase of charge. So maybe this battery wasn't fully charged. Yeah, I think that everything else is done correctly. So yeah, that's it. And now let's install the humid gatherer, or is it like that? Yeah, wetness gatherer, that sucker. Okay, this is the dehumidifier. That's the word. Torbolen it's called. So moisture absorber, that's the real name. Prevents moisture, mold and odor. So we put it upside down and it gathers. Okay, let's see what is inside. This one sits here. We have 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bags like this. It's like this. All right, so we open this thing. like this. Should have buy one more. Well, that's it. Now I should place it somewhere in some corner. Okay, so that's where I've put it. We'll see after tonight what will happen. And this one is still yellow. Yeah, hopefully these things will work. Anyway, that was it. I'm done. The day is done. No more work. Time for relaxing because the weather is actually nice. No more rain and I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna wrap up this video here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one from somewhere north. See you later.